Hey there, fellow content creators and scriptwriters. Welcome back to Digital Hustle. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for you. In the ever-evolving world of content creation, staying ahead of the game is crucial. That's why, in this video, we're diving into the top 3 free script writing tools that are making waves in 2023. Whether you're working on a movie, a commercial, or even a video game, these tools have got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Before we continue, we have a government-registered platform that offers a wide range of trendy digital courses on marketing, branding, traffic generation, and influence marketing. Its courses are designed to help individuals and businesses grow their online presence and achieve their goals. Let's connect on Instagram to know about all the incredible courses we have to offer. You'll find the link in the bio. First up on our list is CopyEye. This tool is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to script writing. It offers a fantastic free plan that provides you with 2,000 words per month, which is more than enough for most of us. With CopyEye, you can generate scripts in various formats, create in-depth character profiles and engaging dialogue, craft vivid scene descriptions, collaborate seamlessly with other writers. Next, we have ScriptEye, another excellent choice for scriptwriters. ScriptEye offers a range of features to simplify your script creation process. Access a variety of templates for different projects. Generate scripts in different formats. Develop detailed character profiles and compelling dialogue. Craft captivating scene descriptions. But wait, there's more. We've also got an exclusive opportunity for you. How does working from home for just 1 to 2 hours a day sound? And the best part? It's a government-registered platform with weekly payments. To explore this incredible online work opportunity, you know where to find me, on Instagram, with the link in the bio. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about WriteSonic. This versatile writing tool is perfect for various script formats and comes with a generous free plan of 10,000 words per month. With WriteSonic, you can create scripts in multiple formats, dive deep into character development and dialogue, paint a vivid picture with scene descriptions, collaborate effortlessly with your fellow writers. Script writing tools can be a game changer, helping you save time and boost your productivity. But remember, they're here to complement your creativity, not replace it. The best scripts always have a bit of your unique touch. So, go ahead and give these tools a try. Experiment, explore, and see which one aligns best with your creative process. So, there you have it, folks, the keys to unlocking your online success. From boosting your skills to discovering a flexible, home-based work opportunity, it's all within your reach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing opportunities like these. And, of course, connect with me on Instagram for all the details. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the journey to online success starts right here, right now. See you in the next video.